Hey guys, welcome to MathsCube. Today we are attempting the fifth question from Advanced A Level Pure Mathematics P3 from Jan 2021. So let's get started. The fifth question is the temperature theta degrees inside an oven t minutes after the oven is switched on is given by theta equal to a minus 180 into exponential upon minus k into t, and that's constant where a and k are positive constants. Given that the temperature inside the oven is initially 18 degrees Celsius, A part states that find the value of A. Okay, fine. Normally what we do is we basically just plug in the values they have given us, but you have to look for the pieces of information they have been hidden there. So they say that the temperature inside the oven is initially 18 degrees Celsius. That's theta here. I have marked it now. And one more piece of information they have given is initially. This word initially. This word means that the constants they mentioned here, k and t, are equal to 0. So what does that mean? What does exponential to the power 0 means? Exponential to the power 0 means 1. So 180 into exponential to the power 0 will be 180 itself. We'll just plug in our value here. There you go, 18 equal to a minus 180. And now doing some basic maths or adding 180 to both sides, our a value will be equal to 198. Because a they have mentioned is a constant, we don't have to add its units or anything, so we just leave it like that, and that's our 2 marks done. Moving on to the b part. The temperature inside the oven 5 minutes after the oven is switched on is 90 degrees Celsius. Show that k equal to p ln q, where p and q are rational numbers to be found, and that's of 4 marks. So a little bit of working here. So again, as usual, we'll plug in the values and we'll just do a bit of substitution here and there and get the k value done. One more thing here, guys. If they've mentioned that the time is being measured in seconds, do change it to do change the minutes to seconds, and that if it's seconds, that 5 minutes will be 300 seconds. But they already said that the temperature theta degree inside an oven t minutes after the oven is switched on, so they already, so we don't have to change it or do anything else, so leave it as 5 minutes only. That there you go, that our equation is it looks like 90 equal to 198 minus 180 to the power e into minus 5k. Now a little bit of substitution here and there. Now what we'll do is we'll just take 180 to that side. Let me show you. We'll make 180 positive, we'll just take that side, and 90 will come here, that'll be minus 90, and I'll show you how. There you go, 180 into exponential to the power minus 5k equal to 198 minus 90. Do some basic maths, substitute by 90 and we'll get 108. Now to make exponential the subject, what I'll do is I'll just divide 180 by both sides, so we'll get 3 upon 5, and that's equal to exponential to the power minus 5 upon k. To make k the subject, what I'll do is I'll just multiply. Now if you remember your exponential and log topics, they teach you in the very first or very beginning of the session that whenever we have to change anything to exponential or anything to log, we basically multiply with the opposite side of it. So to get or to make k the subject, so I'll just multiply everything with a natural log on both sides. So before multiplying it, I'll just show you what happens when I multiply natural log with an exponential. So natural log exponential will equal to 1, so that's how we get k here. There you go, guys, I got minus 5k equal to ln 3 over 5. Now to make k the subject, we can either divide everything by minus 5, or if you want to make 5 a positive number, you can flip this fraction, that's 3 upon 5, that will become 5 upon 3 if you're making 5 a positive value. So we don't want it here. We'll just go with stick with dividing everything with minus 5, and that'll become, there you go, guys, our k value, a final k value equal to minus 1 upon 5 ln 3 over 5. As they stated, the rational numbers have to be found, and p is minus 1 upon 5 and q is 3 upon 5. Those are fractions. and that's our final product. Those are 4 marks and 2 marks done. Moving on to the C part. The temperature inside the oven 9 minutes after the oven is switched on, giving your answer to 3 sig figures. Now we have to find the temperature, that's theta degrees Celsius, and we all know the K value and the T has been given, so that'll be easy, just substituting these values in. There you go, theta equal to 198 minus 180 into exponential to the power minus 1 upon 5 ln 3 upon 5 into 9, and when you plug all these values into the calculator, you'll get a value of 126 degrees Celsius. That's the final answer here, and that's how you're done with 2 marks. C part done. The last part of the 5th question says that the rate of increase of the temperature inside the oven 9 minutes after the oven is switched on. Give your answer in degrees to minute into the power minus 1 to 3 sig figures. Guys, one tip here is whenever they say that find the rate of increase of temperature, it simply means that this is the function there, theta equal to a minus 180 into the power e to the power minus k upon t. That's our function, right? They are just asking us to differentiate it. That's the meaning of rate of increase. Sometimes students get confused between these and they just start finding the theta value again, and that's of no use. So you have to differentiate it, and I'll show you how. Here you go, that's our theta here, and we have to find d theta upon dt because we are finding with respect to t, and I've multiplied t already with minus 1 upon 5, and that's minus 9 upon 5 here. Now getting into it, differentiating it. So the differential of any number I told you before is 0, so you don't have to divide it because there is no x here. We are differentiating with respect to x, or you can say t, so there's no t here, so that will be 0. Now moving on to the main function, differentiating minus 180 into e minus 9 upon 5 ln 3 upon 5. Always remember guys, whenever we differentiate anything to the power x, or sorry, exponential to the power x, that will become x e x. Simply we'll just multiply what's the power to exponential with the term here before the exponential, that's minus 180. So minus 180 into minus 9 upon 5 ln 3 upon 5, and when we multiply it we get, there you go, when we plug our value into the calculator we get 7.33242155, and they say give your answer in to 3 sig figures, and that will be 7.33 approx. That will be our final answer. That is it, 7.33 degrees Celsius minute into minus 1. That's 3 marks done. In case if you don't know how to get this answer, mostly will make incorrect answers here. Using the calculator will input wrong values here, so I'll show you how to do that. Take your calculator out and just type in minus 180, that was a function, and as I told you, multiply everything that was to the power exponential, that's minus 1 upon 5, and flip the signs, that was 3 upon 5, that's 5 upon 3 now. There you go, and just set again, put it to the power, oops, that's alpha, exponential. Now raise it to the power it was originally, that's 9 upon 5 because time is 9, that's t equal to 9, and that's multiplied with natural log of 5 upon 3. There we go. Let's check if my answer comes in. Yep, 7.3324. As I said earlier, that's a final answer. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like the video, do subscribe, and do let me know if you want more videos on different topics or past papers or anything like that. Stay tuned for more videos from this series.